Hey friends, if you wish to set up and test a microphone in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select sound. Now scroll down to the input section and you will see multiple microphones here if you have them. Actually, it will show all the microphones. Now I'll test the one which is active. You know what? Even as I'm speaking, as the volume rises and falls, you will notice it here. But a better test will be to click on your microphone, scroll down and click on start test. Okay, and then speak into it and then click on stop test. It will show the percentage of the volume, and this is how you can test your microphone. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.